Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into Omnisend's automation features with a step-by-step walkthrough. If you're looking to save time and boost your e-commerce marketing, this is the guide for you. Let's get started. So, what is marketing automation? Simply put, it's a way to automatically send messages to your customers based on their actions. And with Omnisend, it's super easy. We're going to set up a welcome series, perfect for greeting new subscribers. First, head to the Automations tab in your Omnisend dashboard and choose the Welcome Series template. This opens up the workflow editor, where you'll see the steps of your automation laid out. The trigger here is simple. A new subscriber joins your email list. Next, click on the first email step to customize your welcome message. Use the drag-and-drop builder to add your logo, tweak colors, and write your message. You can even include a discount code to encourage that first purchase. If you're enjoying this walkthrough and want to try Omnisend yourself, check out the link in the description for a free trial and a discount on your subscription. Back in the workflow editor, you can add more steps like follow-up emails or SMS messages. Just drag and drop, then customize each step. You can also set delays between emails to space out your communication. Now, let's add some conditions. These allow you to create different paths based on how subscribers interact with your emails. For example, if someone opens the first email, they get more product info. If not, you can send a re-engagement message. Finally, test your workflow to make sure everything's working smoothly, then hit Activate. Your welcome series is now live, running automatically to engage new subscribers. That's it, a quick, step-by-step guide to setting up automations in Omnisend. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get started with a free trial and discount. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.